Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to get Gemini AI onto your iPhone. This is Google's AI tool. So let's begin. We'll start by going to the App Store, go to the search bar and type in Gemini, Gemini. It brings back some results. We want Gemini Google AI. Now we have a couple of options here. Make sure you choose the Google Gemini, and the Google should be listed just here. I've already installed mine, so you go ahead and download. I'll open as it's already installed. Now I'm signed in with my Google account on my iPhone, so it's asking me to use that account. You can go ahead and sign in with your own account or create an account from here. I'll go ahead and continue. And here I am at the main Gemini screen. I can allow notifications if I wish, or don't allow. Just at the top here, we have the different options, different models you can use. And of course, most importantly, this window here where you can ask questions and get your answers. So I hope that's helped. Let me know what you'll be using Gemini for. And have you tried ChatGPT? And if so, which in your opinion is better? I'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.